So for the past, Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adam Meredith here. Well, since I'm deciding to dye my hair today, I thought why not make a video and hang out with you guys while I do that. For those of you guys who are still waiting for my part 2 on my video from last week on how to get a tattoo, that will be up this Saturday. For those of you guys that have been following me on Instagram, you guys may have noticed that my hair has been pink for about a little bit over a month. It's pretty faded out right now. I did post a photo up asking you guys if I should stay pink or go purple. A lot of you guys said that I should go purple. So I'm going to be dyeing my hair purple today. Just as a disclaimer, I am not a professional. I have been dyeing my hair probably since like I was 12, so almost 10 years now. I started out when I was a scene kid. Insert embarrassing photo here. Since then, I did pick up some knowledge from dyeing my hair that I've kept with me up until now. If you guys are thinking about doing this, maybe you guys should go see a professional first before you start messing with your hair like me. Since I am going to be putting a purple into my hair, it is a very light purple, I would say almost borderlines to pastel. So if you guys are interested in putting pastel colors in your hair, make sure that your hair is at least a level, I would say like what, 9 or 10? I don't know, I'm not a professional like I said. But you want your hair to be pretty freaking light, like how mine is up at the top. You don't want it to be like too brassy or too dark, because that's when the color will kind of like change from what you really want. It might be tinted darker than you expected, or maybe might not take it all since it is a pastel. But anyways, let's get started with my hair. Cut to the bathroom. So for my hair color, I will be using a brand called Arctic Fox. It's called Girls Night. Woo, ladies! Anyways. I thought I'd give this brand a try just because I've never used it, and I've seen such great reviews on it on YouTube and stuff from other people. And I did notice that it's cruelty-free and vegan-free, so go Arctic Fox. Previously, before, if you guys have followed me on Instagram, when my hair was purple last time, I used this ultraviolet color by Manic Panic. And I really liked the color, but when it started fading out, I just kind of didn't like the color it was fading out to. So we're going to go ahead and try this. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Every time I start dyeing my hair, it reminds me of the time when I was 14 and I had like jet black hair from box dyes. And I really wanted to go blonde because that's when like gray hair was like starting to become a thing, like icy white or whatever. So I got bleach for the first time and decided to dye my hair. So after I bleached my hair from black, like a black box dye, did not come out good. I remember I was bawling my eyes out in the shower as I was like pulling apart my hair, and I was like, oh my god, it's falling out, it's like gum. And the whole time, all I hear is my brother cackling at me and my mother telling me, I told you so. Don't bleach your hair by yourself if you don't know what you're doing. Go to a professional. Don't make the same mistakes I did. Don't let your hair come out in clumps. When I first actually discovered like dyeing your hair was like a thing, I had just broken up with like my ex-girlfriend in like 8th grade. And I was just like so ready for like, you know, new me, new person, new hair, whatever, because I had just broken up with her. And we both ended up coming to school like the weekend after our breakup with the same hair color that we had changed our hair to. And that was really embarrassing because people still thought we were dating. It was just really awkward, like going around school and everyone's like, oh my god, you guys are like, you're so cute, like couple goals, like you guys have the same hair color. Like, no. Now I did feel really bad for her because that's when I realized that I was like gay as hell. I didn't really like know what being gay was or whatever at that time. Like I had a feeling that there was something different about me, but that's a story for another time. just finished putting the rest of the product in my hair, and it does take about 20 to 30 minutes to develop into the hair, so that way my hair does turn purple. This should make like burp yoga. Okay. So what is your guys' plans for this Halloween? Comment down below and let me know what you guys are gonna do. My plan is to go to Universal Studio Horror Nights with my boyfriend. I think we're planning on going maybe this week or next week. I'm not really too sure. But I do enjoy going every year. I love getting the crap scared out of me. Every haunted house I go into, I am stuck going through it like this. My boyfriend laughs his pants off at me. So let me know what you guys are gonna be for Halloween in the comments below. My boyfriend and I were just talking about what we wanted to be for Halloween, and one of the ideas was that he was gonna be Trixie Mattel and I was gonna be Katya, just because, you know, they do have like a really good friendship together, and since me and him, you know, are gay. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. Usually when I'm filming, I film in the room that I keep my guinea pigs in, so I usually tend to just let them, you know, run around while I make my videos so they don't make too much noise in their cage. And right now I have a very special guest with me. Her name is Milkshake, and she is almost a year old. She's not as big as my other guinea pig, Muffin. Muffin is a little bit more timid, I would say. She doesn't really like to be held as much. She rarely likes to be pet. But I do manage to take her out of her cage and, you know, give her some loving too, but she just doesn't really seem to care about it. As I said before, I do have 2 guinea pigs. Reason being that guinea pigs are very social creatures, and if you are not able to give them the care that they need or the attention that they need, they can get sick or get really sad and depressed as animals. So that's why I own 2. I'm just putting that out there just because I have noticed that some of my friends have said, oh, you know, I see your guinea pigs and stuff, I want to get one too. What are some things that I should know? So that's one of the things that I think that you guys should know, is that if you guys are planning on getting a guinea pig, I know, crazy, make sure you buy them in pairs. Oh, and also my favorite thing about guinea pigs is when they popcorn. Now, popcorning is when a guinea pig is just so happy or so excited that they don't know what to do with themselves, so they just kind of jump. Alright, you guys, so it's been about 20 minutes, give or take. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out of my hair, and then I'll be right back to show you guys how it looks. And back to the bathroom. Alright, now is the most crucial part of dyeing your hair. I'm about to wash this out and pray to God that it's the color I want. I'll be right back. So I just got done showering and fixing my hair and making it look all nice for you guys. So this is the color it turned out. I'm really happy with the color. I think it's very, you know, not as harsh as a purple as like the ultraviolet that I showed you guys, the Manic Panic that I used previously. I really like this color because I have a feeling that as it fades out, that it will continue to actually look purple and just eventually fade to like a really nice, even lighter pastel than this. Alright, you guys, looks like that's all we have for today. If you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification button. I will be uploading my second part to my how to get a tattoo video this Saturday, so make sure you guys stick around and keep an eye out for that. That's all I have for today, you guys. Bye!